Hi there. This tutorial is on how to annotate your electronic articles. So I have my article pulled up on Google Docs. You will notice that my citation or bibliographic information is at the very top. I added the 4 questions that I want to look for in addition to the other elements to annotate. So that's just something I did for myself. You do not have to do that. So many of you have probably done this before. Again, this is just sort of a refresher. But when we find something that we want to annotate, we not only highlight, but we also want to comment on it. So if I go through my article and I find something I want to annotate, so many aspects of this larger discussion apply specifically to Instagram. I might wonder, okay, that's kind of interesting, like why specifically Instagram? So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go up to my highlight button. So my highlight button up here, and I'm just going to choose a color. So I've highlighted that, but I also need to insert a comment. So over on the side, there's a little blue box. You can click on Add Comment. You could also go up to the Insert, click on Insert, and Insert Comment. And so then it shows me a little box, and I can type in my question. So why Instagram? How many followers / users does Instagram have? Okay, so I'm going to insert that comment. Once I'm done, I'll just hit the blue insert comment button, and I have my comment over on the side, as you can see. Okay, so you want to go through and do that with your article. So if I go scroll down, and I find something else. Okay, so I want to know so it says beauty redefined as one of the many important local voices. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to go insert comment, and I'm going to type in like, where is this located? Quote, where is this quote from? Where do they operate out of? How long have they been around? So I'm going to type in some questions, things that I'm curious about that maybe I need to research a little bit more. Okay. So again, you are going to want to even refer back to the questions at the very top. Again, this is for you. So the more you are familiar with your article and what it has and what information you don't have, the better prepared you can be. Good luck, everyone.